If you're new to Davinci, you've probably made some of these mistakes, and I'm sure they've slowed down your editing. The first mistake is getting stuck on the cut page. If you open Davinci and get stuck only on the cut page or only on the edit page without understanding the difference, let me explain. The cut page is great for quick cuts. The edit page is better for fine adjustments, keyframes, and effects. Only using one of them just makes you slower. Avoid this by using the cut page for rough cuts and the edit page for detailed editing. Second mistake, not using keyboard shortcuts. If you do everything with the mouse, cutting, moving, deleting, adding, you're probably taking twice as long to edit. Avoid this with these 5 essential shortcuts: Ctrl B to cut clips, the del key to delete and remove from the timeline, pause break to simply delete, Ctrl plus scroll to navigate the timeline, and Alt plus scroll to zoom in and out of the timeline. These shortcuts are already enough, but if you want more, I can make a video with a lot more keyboard shortcuts. Another mistake is ignoring the project settings before you start editing. Don't start editing without checking the resolution and frame rate. That way you might end up editing with the wrong timeline or with choppy video. Always set up your project, timeline, and frame rate before you start editing. Not organizing your material in the media pool. If you just throw audio, video, and photos randomly into the media pool, it's really slowing you down because you waste time processing the material and get confused in all that mess. Avoid this by creating basic folders for each type of material, like images, an audio folder, a video folder, and a folder for music. Another common mistake is not using Davinci Resolve's autosave feature. If you trust that Davinci Resolve will never crash or close unexpectedly, congratulations, you're making yet another mistake. If this tool isn't enabled in your Davinci, I'll show you how to turn on autosave, or in Davinci's case, live save. Go to Davinci in the upper left corner, Preferences, User, Project Save, and enable the Live Save option. Avoiding these mistakes from the start will save you hours of editing. If this helped you, like and subscribe for more Davinci Resolve tips.